Hi, I'm Dr. Christine, and today I want to invite you to join me for a special event dear to my heart. Imagine you're waking up every morning refreshed and full of life and excitement about starting another day. You radiate joy and calmness, and others are noticing. Suddenly you have more friends than ever before. You attract a better job, improving your family's finances. People are asking, what did you do to no longer feel tired and down all the time? You look younger than ever. And you say, remember that brain health workshop that Dr. Christine told us about? I went and put everything in action that I learned. It changed my life. Wouldn't you want to be that person? Well, here's your chance. I'm offering my Let's Fall in Love with Your Brain workshop on Saturday, November 17th, live in the Wooden Monkey restaurant in Dartmouth, Alderney Landing, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Lunch included. And I promise you that you will take something away that you didn't know about yourself yet. You will learn things that will transform your life and make it all worthwhile. If you're thinking, oh no, I'm too old, let me tell you, it's never too late to turn around your life and health for the better and feel the joy of life that we are all entitled to for the life that has been given to us by our Creator, whoever we believe it may be. So that's why I now invite you to join me in that workshop. Experience what it means to truly love your brain and your life. Go to the link below and reserve your seat right now. There are only 20 seats in total available and the event will sell out. So click on the button, check out the event and take your chance for a better life. And since you watched the video until here, I want to give you a special gift. Save $50 with your promo code It's My Time. Isn't it your time now? Click on the link below to get your discount. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the 17th.